Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wheel Wonderland. Today, we're diving into something special, a full Hot Wheels premium 4-car set, packed with style, heritage, and collector-level quality. This isn't just about die-cast cars. It's about design, history, and the connection between real-world, automotive culture, and the 164 world we love. Each car in this set represents a different era, vibe, or performance class, from road beasts to track legends. What makes this set premium? We've got metal bodies and chassis, real riders, rubber tires, and authentic details you won't find in mainline models. And often, Hot Wheels pulls inspiration directly from motorsport history, GT racing, drift events, endurance circuits, or from iconic street cars that earned cult status through performance and design. Let's go through the lineup now, from right to left.
First up, the Transporter. This isn't just a background vehicle, it's bold, heavy, and full of attitude. Hot Wheels has a long tradition of including detailed haulers in their Team Transport and Boulevard series. Many of them are based on real support trucks used in race teams, drift crews, or custom garages, adapted to carry modified streetcars across the country or straight to the track. This one is no exception. The proportions are spot on. A wide stance, low profile, and just enough detail to make it feel real. The paint job gives it that professional team look, while the front grille and wheels show it's ready to work. It's the kind of vehicle that doesn't seek attention but always gets it. You can imagine it pulling up at an event, tailgate dropping, and something incredible rolling off the back. It's not flashy, it's functional, but that's exactly what makes it cool. It's the backbone of the crew. Reliable, bold, and always rolling just ahead of the action. Next up, the red one. This casting immediately stands out with its bold, high-gloss red finish. Red isn't just a color here. It's a statement of speed, aggression, and racing spirit. From muscle cars to track-ready tuners, red has always been the color of choice for vehicles that demand attention. The stance is low and balanced, with wide fenders and deep wheels that suggest high performance. Every line on the body flows with purpose, from the sculpted hood to the aerodynamic rear. It looks like it belongs on a time attack circuit, a Touge road, or leading the pack at a touring car event. The details are sharp: blacked out trim, subtle badging, and a front end that looks ready to cut through the air. You can almost hear the revs when you look at it. This isn't a show car, it's a machine that's meant to move. A symbol of motion, speed, and passion, all captured in one tiny red rocket. Now let's quickly check if the car actually fits inside the race transporter. Now we're moving on to the green one. This casting brings a whole different kind of energy, bold, fresh, and full of street racing spirit. Green like this isn't just about color, it's about identity. It says, I've been built, I've been tuned, I've got stories. The design is low-slung, aggressive, and detailed. From the hood shape to the sharp side lines, everything about this car feels deliberate, like someone put hours of custom work into getting it just right. The wheels are clean and sharp, the stance is perfect, and that front splitter or wing in the back, it's ready for battle. And finally, we come to the last one, the black car. This casting is quiet, but powerful. Sleek, subtle, intimidating. Black has always had a special place in car culture. It's the color of control, of precision, of understated dominance. The body lines are clean and refined, with just the right amount of edge. Every curve, Every surface reflects light in just the right way. Not flashy, but confident.